I think these are all picked through though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. Let's see what else I got though. 5-packs ain't too bad. Whew. Well, it's looking similar to last week when I left it. Just one down there. Yeah, I don't think this has been filled in a long time. Nope. I want to check that. Let me see here. Well, they sounded good. Alright, so I'm at my local Walgreens and Volkswagen Caddy. So, for sure picking this up. This is weird because they're all over the place here. Even here. I got this Liberty Walk. Let's check this out here. Got Dragon Wagon for sure. I don't know if I got this one or not. Hold on. But either way, let's see here. I got the K-Wagon. So I got Jeep Wagon here. Almost looks like an Easter finds, really. But what the hell is this? 69 Camaro. If I get the whole set, let's just get the whole set. I mean, there's 5 of them. There's Mustang, there's Chevy. I'm gonna get the old Chevy truck here. Chevy truck is here. All right. So let's get the truck. Also rabbit. So it'll be a pickup. And I got that one right there. I know I do. Oh, what's this one? Focus. Yeah, let's get this one. So for my day off, I decided to go Hot Wheel hunting, and I hit up 3 stores. For the most part, Target really didn't have a whole lot though, as you guys can see. Dollar General just had mostly, I don't think they updated since I've been there, where I found new stuff over a week ago. So I've been lacking on putting stuff up for Hot Wheels. It's just I haven't found anything I really needed though. Luckily though, Walgreens really came through. One of the ones I did pick up though was an Aston Martin Vantage GT. This is a really good casting here. I actually own this one right here. I actually was about ready. If I didn't find anything today, I was going to open this one up and do a comparison video. I have another Aston Martin Vantage in the same color. I was going to see a little comparison video, which one did it best. But I picked one up in this, so I was like, yeah, go ahead, grab that. Next up, though, for the spring line, you know, I almost wanted to get that 67 Camaro, but I wasn't really digging the pastel colors on a Camaro. But on a 55 Chevy, or a 52 Chevy, I think it looks really, really good. I just came back from Illinois over the weekend and ran into a really cool place called Motorheads on Route 66. And they had a bunch of old school Chevy trucks out there. It was just such a cool experience. I'll show you guys on the back all the cars they have. They have a Jeep. I also left the Jeep there for the time being. I should have really picked it up. That one I do feel bad about not picking up. But I kind of want to see what the Mustang look like. You know, I'm kind of probably might regret getting the whole set here, but I just want to pick up the ones I really wanted. So I got the 52. Next up, though, the Volkswagen Caddy. I was a huge Volkswagen guy. I never knew Volkswagens until you buy a Volkswagen. It's one of those things you like. The cool details I like in it. I like the fact there's a skateboard in the back end, too. I love the fact it's got like a little roll cage with like a sunroof right here. It just looks like an old custom Volkswagen truck here. And just the front end detail's not that great, but for the most part, the back detail I really like, and just like the exhaust here and the wheels. So yeah, that one pops pretty good. Speaking about Volkswagens though, I've been really wanting to get this collection here. Really want to get the full set of these Volkswagen Hot Wheels special editions. This one was not on the pegs. When I went to go pay for the other ones, the lady behind the counter, she's like, "Do you collect them or do you give them away?" I'm like, I was like, sometimes I give them away, but for the most part, I like to collect them. And I told her how much I really liked Volkswagen, and she's like, "Well, here." She says I was going to take this home after my shift. So she went behind the counter that she had there and said, "You can have this one if you want to buy it today." I was like, "Yeah, totally." And I've been telling her I want to get the full set. And she collects certain sets herself. That's what I love about the Diecast community, though. You know, the fact is, if you run into somebody who's a big fan of a certain line of vehicles, whether it's nostalgia or whatever reason with why they love the make and model of something, you always try to help them out. Make sure, you get what makes them happy. They look at it, maybe it was a friend of theirs they haven't talked to in a long time. They had a car or something like that. So that was really cool. Another thing, too, this one, the reason why I bring up Frank, I haven't talked to in a long time, though. I remember this car. It wasn't this shade, but it was this style. A friend of mine had an old Golf like this in high school, too. It was one of these cars I used to give him shit about because I thought it was slow as fuck, really, but it wasn't too bad, man, for what was around at the time. It looks a little custom on this end. Like I said, they didn't really have any of the decals on the side and wasn't like a black hood. It was all just one straight color. And obviously, I didn't have these wheels here. I had kind of those old school Volkswagen wheels, but I had to pick this up, keep it in collection. And last but not least, so probably my second favorite Volkswagen in this lineup is a 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. And it just has an old gas can back here. This one would be fun to just have in real life, though. I don't know if Volkswagen really made a pickup truck back then or anything like that, but for the Beetle, have a truck version, I think it's really, really cool. This one right here, that's probably the one I really want to get, though. But yeah, this right here is definitely top notch, and I'm so excited to get it, though. But thank you guys for sticking around. I've been lacking on the Hot Wheels, but I've been looking every day. It's just, like I said, it's real tough to kind of find something new around here. But thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I'll see you guys next time.